Hey guys, I am super excited to be sharing with you this summer reset. We're gonna get to have so much fun. And I gotta tell you, I got goals too. Get out your sticky note, write the number one thing that you wanna achieve this summer, and I am going to help you, along with our sisters, achieve your goals. It is totally possible. I got tons of notes here, so I wanna read this through and break this down for you. First of all, I want you to schedule in your success. What do I mean by that? Get out your calendar, get out your phone, and put in the days and the times that you're going to be getting your workouts in, what you're going to be doing for movement, and the number one day that you're going to be doing your massive food prepping for that week. Making batch foods. So I want to let you know, and I'll be dropping it down in here, I gave you 5 different ebooks. One is a plant-based food substitute that helps you to understand how to switch over to more plant-based. I know a lot of you guys want to do that. I have 50 gluten-free, super fast meals and snacks. If you want to get your body really super healthy, clean, try to do a little bit less gluten. Through my 3-step fit, fast, fresh food method for eating with some yummy recipes, say that fast. And my cookbook, Be a Confident Plant-Based Cook, that's in there too. And something that a lot of you have been asking for is stuff around menopause. And I brought in a fast little ebook for that with some recipes and smoothies. All right, so I also did drop in some links to the Amazon store for blenders and handhelds, as well as travel components. I know a lot of you travel for the summer, so you need to take this with you. It's super great when you're going to meetings, when you're going to conventions and conferences. It's just awesome. Lastly, you need to sign up for the smoothie challenge because I'll be sending out and working with those people who sign up for that small little conversation just around the smoothie challenge. Now, that's not to say that if you don't do the smoothie challenge, you're not going to get lots of loving from me. You are. But those of you who are going to be going into this, you need a little bit extra deep dive and a little bit extra hand holding, and I got you covered for that. So what does it look like to have and to do the smoothie challenge? Well, basically, I am recommending Kachava. It's a product that I absolutely love. No, I'm not sponsored nor endorsed by them, but hey, Kachava, come and help us out here. I generally buy the vanilla one because then you can do anything to it. You can make it into chocolate. You can make it into a pina colada. You can do any of the recipes that I have with it. But I have tried of the other ones. This one is a coconut acai. I can't say I really like it that much. So vanilla is basic. You know, who's vanilla out there? None of us are vanilla, but vanilla is a really good place to start. Oh, deadlines. You got to sign up for this. So you'll see the link below so that I can send you the link. As soon as you get the link, you're going to then go and buy your Kachava. We're going to zoom in on Tuesday to do Q&A, and we're going to officially kick off the smoothie challenge on Wednesday. Now, I know some of you have other things. You're traveling, you're doing things. It's okay. Do the best you can during that 17 days. I've had a couple conversations with some of you. You've got some big events, college graduations, weddings, what have you. Like, stuff is going to happen. Life is going to happen. But if you do your best, and then all you have to do is pick up that other day. So when we end, if you end up 2 days later, you end up 2 days later. You're going to be basically doing 2 shakes a day plus a meal, infused water. All right, so we have that smoothie reset. I am doing a vision board. The vision board is on Sunday the 5th. I'm going to have it at my house as well as on Zoom. For those of you who can't come live, I know some of you are not in the state of Florida, not even near Boca Raton. We'll have a Zoom cam coming down, so we'll be able to hang out with you and talk to you and play with you. We're going to have the vision board here. And I am doing live pop-up workouts at the beach and at parks. Let's invite it. We'll have like everybody can bring like a little dish and we'll have some fun with that. Again, sorry for those of you who don't live near us. I know it totally sucks, but don't worry because we've got you covered with everything online. You're going to have the most amazing summer. This is your summer to reset. Let's do it. Bam, create your best day ever.